Subscribe asp.net tutorial channel and press the bell icon for latest update videos. Welcome to my channel asp.net tutorials. Welcome friends to Angular 6 tutorial series. So friends, today we have learned data binding in Angular 6. So friends, let's start. So friends, in last video we have learned a form array, and today we have learned friends data binding in Angular 6. So friend, first we will comment this code. Comment this code, and friends, we copy this code and paste it, and we have go to there, and we have copy and then paste. And we have declare array name country, and friends, we have write some country's name and save, and we have, you can see page is reloaded, and friends, you can see all my countries showing in this drop down in bind. We have removed some countries. For an example, we have removed this, and save. So friends, you can see it will be already, when you can see 2 countries remove this list. I hope friends you like the video. If you like the video, friend, please like, share and subscribe, and latest videos update, press the bell icon. And for more information, like my Facebook, follow on Instagram and Twitter. And friends, today we will end of this series. I hope you like the series, and if you have any query, friends, you can ask me, comment or email, and visit my website, friends, www.asp.nettutorials.com. and thank you friends for watching videos.